I note that Todd Sherman, representing Robert Mujica, the Director of the Division of the Budget, is participating in the meeting via video conference from the New York State Division of the Budget Conference Room, Conference Center at the Capitol Building, room 131 in Albany. Can you hear us?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
I'd like to request a motion and a second to call to order the June 15, 2017 meeting of the SONYMA Mortgage Insurance Committee. The motion and second recorded will be used for all action items before the committee unless specific items call for a different vote or unless any committee member wishes to record his or her vote differently. Motion.
So moved.
Second. The minutes of the meeting of the Mortgage Insurance Committee held on May 11, 2017 shall be deemed approved absent corrections from the directors.
Okay, the meeting will move to the Mortgage Insurance Committee program action items. Item 2, resolution approving 100% mortgage insurance on a $3,299,703 CPC permanent first mortgage loan for 902 Jennings Street, Bronx County.
This CPC loan represents the construction of 42 low and moderate income units, including 23 supportive units for formerly homeless families. 10 additional units will be reserved at 60% of AMI and 8 at 90% of AMI. In addition to the insured mortgage, the loan has a $5 million, supported by a $5 million Homeless Housing Assistance Corporation loan and a $3.2 million HPD Supportive Housing Loan Program loan. There will be rent supplements for 15 of the supportive units provided by ESHE, and a project-based Section 8 HAP contract will cover 8 of the supportive units. The project has a 420C real estate tax exemption, and there will be regulatory agreements in place from HPD, HHAC, and DHCR. This project is being developed by New Destiny Housing Corporation, a not-for-profit entity established in 1994 to develop and manage emergency, transitional, and permanent housing for special needs population with an emphasis on victims of domestic violence. It currently owns and manages 200 units of permanent housing and 2 shelters. This is a new borrower to SONYMA, and the project will be managed by Lemley & Wolf. The loan amount is $78,000 per unit, which equals 13% of the project's total development cost of $620,000 per unit. The project will break even with a 12% vacancy or an 11% increase in operating expenses.
Any questions?
Okay. And the resolution before the Mortgage Insurance Committee is approving mortgage insurance and a commitment for the provision thereof for 902 Jennings Street, Bronx County. Assuming the first and second previously entered, all in favor, please signify by saying aye.
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 The motion is carried.
All right, item 3, an information item.
Just to report that the May tax receipts were $11.3 million, as opposed to $13.7 million for the same period last year.
Consistently been running down month to
Consistently.
month or year to year.
Somewhat down.
All right, motion to adjourn.
So assuming the first and second previously entered, all in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
The motion is carried and the meeting is adjourned.
Next committee